If you're a do-it-yourselfer and sometimes you need to make spacers for brackets or screws of somehow, sometimes you stack up a bunch of washers to make a spacer. Well, in this video I'm going to show you a quick and easy way how to make your own spacers. And you can go to your local Home Depot, Lowe's, Menards, and you can get yourself some PVC. Now this is 1/4 inch ID PVC. This comes in like a 6-foot length. It's like $1.98. And then you can just cut these pieces of however length of space you need. 1/2 inch, 3/4, 1 inch. Say you need a bracket away from a wall. You need a spacer or something like that with a screw, and you're done. No more stacking washers, no more trying to figure out how to stack some wood in there. Now I'm going to show you an example of what I'm using these spacers for. And by the end of the video, you'll be able to pick this stuff up very cheap, cut these spacers to length. A piece like this will last you for years. And you can even get the PVC that's like a 1/2 inch ID, a 1 inch ID if you need a spacer that big. I'll take you back to the project I'm working on and show you why I need these spacers. So if you take a look right there, I use that 1/4 inch ID PVC to act as a spacer. I really didn't have to have support right there, but I thought it was a good idea. I'm going to put support down here after this filter as well, one of the hanging brackets. But something like that is a great idea how to make your own spacers. Just makes it look a little cleaner, a little more professional. You can make these things whatever length you need. And hopefully you guys found this video helpful and informational. And thanks for watching.